but personally I'll say very proud of both my girls. And being here today to join the celebration of Lara's marriage to Liam made me reminisce and think of many memorable occasions of both the girls, but especially Lara today. Lara's journey from that little newborn baby to the beautiful young lady that you see today has been absolutely fantastic. She's achieved many, many things in her life. She's one of the most beautiful, charming people you'll ever meet in your life. I'm just going to say it's fabulous to see Lara so happy today, and as she has great pleasure to welcome Liam into her family.
I've had the privilege of knowing Liam for over 15 years. But over the years, I've managed to witness many of Liam's firsts. His first job, his first car, his first trip abroad, his first flat, his first house, his first dog Luna, and now his first wedding. Liam has grown into a man I can truly be proud to call my best friend. He's loyal, caring, surprisingly well dressed sometimes, and today standing next to his bride. I've never seen him happier.
They are very different people, but together they make a formidable and perfect couple as they are. They know they are each other's soulmates. Liam always felt there was something missing in his life until he found Lara. It's really the way that you look at each other, speak to each other, about each other, that will truly bind you together as you become husband and wife.
I'm sure some folk have actually said to me already, and I can feel it. Lara and Liam are a very great match together. As her father, I couldn't ask for a better partner for Lara. It's very clear he's in love with Lara. He cares so much about her. He's always there to support her whenever she needs it. They're a great team, a great match, and I, like most of you here today, hope they have many, many happy years together.
Just as my parents shaped me, Lara's parents have shaped the incredible woman that she is today, and that I now have the honour of calling my wife. But honestly, Lara, today is the best day of my life. And it's because of you. From the beginning, you've always been my partner, my teammate, and my closest friend. You challenge me in the right ways, and you support me when I need it, and you somehow make even the ordinary feel meaningful. I want you to know how incredibly proud I am of you, of the person you are, the things you've accomplished, and the way you carry yourself with strength and grace, no matter what. Watching you chase your goals, support the people you love, and build a life with me is something I admire every single day. You've brought me laughter, balance and honesty into my life, and I'm better because of it. I don't take for granted how lucky I am to be standing here with you today. Or how lucky I'll be to stand by you for the rest of our lives.